on tapswap you can actually buy a boat. And how do you buy this boat? You just do a couple of tasks. Let me show you that. Click on start now. Click on start now. Okay, this is my boat working. As you can see, this is what it has meant for me while I was away. You can get it to claim it. So just click on task below. Click on task below. Then click on join socials. Join our socials. Then do the necessary tasks. It's very easy. Join the Telegram chat, follow their Twitter handle, then visit their website. On your own end, you will see go. So all you have to do is click on go. All you have to do is click on go on the Telegram session. It will take you to that Telegram chat. You join it, come back. Then for the follow S handle, you click on go. Follow their Twitter handle, that is S handle. Come back to this page. For website section, you click on go, visit our website, come back to this page. When you come back to this page, you will see check on each task. Check. So you just click on check for the Telegram channel, click on check for S handle, click on check for website. So when you are done with that, let's say you click on check the first time, it tells you that not confirmed. It shows you something like red. You do it again. You have to keep on clicking on the check till it tells you done on each page. Done. So when you see done there, I think you see something like start mission somewhere. Click on something like start mission or finish below. Something like start mission or finish below. You click on finish. Then I think you should see congratulations. Then you see claim. You click on claim to claim the 200,000 tapswap. So we get the 200,000 tapswap. If you want to get another 100,000, you come to this Solana wallet section. You click on it. That's what I explained earlier in my previous video on how to connect your Solana wallet to your tapswap. When you are done connecting it, you come back to this particular page. You see check. You click on check. It will tell you done or open or something. You see finish below or something. Click on finish and then you see congratulations and then you see claim. Click on claim. But when you come to this connect Solana wallet page, I think the first thing you need to do is click on start mission. If you see start mission, click on start mission. Alright. So you successfully do both this connection of Solana wallet to your tapswap. You get 100,000 for this, and then you also get 200,000 for the join social. That's total of 300,000. Now how do you buy this boat? The boat that would always help you, even while you are away. You click on boost below. Then below you see tap boats at the bottom, and as you can see, the price of the tap boat is 200,000. So you just click on it, then do the necessary process to buy it. I think when you click on it, you should see something like get it. You click on get it, then you would have bought it by clicking on get it. When you click on this tap session now, you see that the boat is helping you to mine. As you can see, it's counting. It's helping you to mine. It's something. So always ensure that this thing is at full capacity, 500 to 500. I think that would make the boat be able to mine for you. All right. So just leave it, don't do anything. You can be away, and the boat will be able to mine. Simple. And as you refer people, you also get to earn. You click on task below. Let me show you how to claim your referrals. Click on task. Then you click on rev task. Then you click on claim. When this shows up, when this shows yellow or something, right? So when you click on that link, when you click on links, you can also proceed to the next stage. Currently I'm in bronze. When it's time for you to start silver, to display here, click on claim. Let me show you. Currently I'm in bronze. So that's it. So you can be aware and your boat will be able to man. This tapswap is something I believe. I think this can be like not coin.